It's a 2015 Lincoln Navigator. This full-size SUV is the embodiment of elegant command with all the space, power, and luxury you need and deserve. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Of the Navigator, Automobile.com comments the Lincoln is reasonably refined, thanks in part to efforts to curb noise coming from the powertrain, the wind, and the road. Lincoln, luxury accommodations for your everyday. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Flood Ford, we want to be the best dealer in Southern New England. Swing by and see us today at one of our convenient locations.